Hey party people, welcome back to Sauced Out. Today I am doing a look again with the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. And if you don't know what that is, here it is. My hand is doing better. Still a little bit wonky, but it's doing better. So what I'm gonna do is like this crazy-ish cut crease, and I don't know how it's going to come out, but just bear with me. Alrighty, party people, I am sorry about that. I should have checked before to see if my battery was dying, but whatevs. So we are basically almost done. So I'm just gonna recap what I did. I did parched, then I did taste buds on the crease, then bitch. And then with bitch, I put in quench on the crease as well. And then I put submerge first on the inner lid and then splash in the middle, and then I'm going to go in with quench again on the outer. So, are you guys liking it so far? We are back. This is the finished look. Let me see if I can zoom it in. And that is about it. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on Try Style. Bye, pretty people.